Now we are going to know about mouse gesture. What is the use of mouse gesture? If you want to become a pro design engineer means you need to understand the shortcut tools. First is select a space tab. It is easy to open the orientation tab, that is a display tab. You can orientation tab by changing of a number of the orientation. Hold your right click of the mouse button. We can easy to select a number of the tools with the mouse gesture tools itself. By drawing a number of the profiles, rectangular, circular, views types, features, all that are completely controls based on the mouse gestures itself. It is a shortcut menu. If you want to customize it means go to the customize under mouse gesture. Here enable mouse gesture. I just pick an enable mouse gesture and how many number of the gestures we needed, 8 numbers or 4 numbers. And if you want to change the tools from circular, replacing circular into a polygon means I click it, drag it and place on the exact location. Now the circular tool is replaced with the polygon tool. Same as like holding the right button of the mouse say and pick this polygonal tool and draw the profile. It is easy to selecting any kind of tools instead of picking a tool from the command manager, using this just to draw any kind of profile. A shortcut tool, but we need to understand this to draw the profile at a short span of a time. Okay, thank you.